In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to adjust the location of Gizmo and how does that affect your model as well. In this case, I see that my main stone are at the same height somehow, somewhat same height and with the side stone, which I don't actually like this design. So I'm going to make some adjustment by pulling both of the left side stone and the right side stone down at the same time. By doing so, I go into move. In this case, Gizmo is already on. You can turn it off by clicking Gizmo here or turn it on. So I turn it on right now, and if I just move here right now, it will not pull both of the gemstone together at the same angle as I want it to be. So I'm going to go back, and right now I can, there's this bar of, different subtools that you can choose from, and right now it is at a lock command. I'm going to click it to unlock, or you can tap Alt to unlock as it shows on the screen here. So right now you can see it's already unlocked. I'll click this button. It's like a Yelp check-in button thing. I would click this, it will bring it to the center, then I can... Okay, so sometimes when it doesn't, stick on, it's because this button is on. So even if you turn it, it just jumps back to whichever direction it was pointing. Then at this point, you gotta make sure that this pin button thing is off. So right now it's at a white color is on. So one click is off now in a gray color. At this point, then you can, using the rotate round circle in white, to adjust the arrow back pointing straight up. So I can turn it there, let go. So at this point, once you make all the adjustment that you need, you would lock it, drag it down, which then you can see is pulling both stone at the same time. And I think here is what I want. Okay. And to show you that again, I'm going to select my jump ring, which is in this case used as a gallery. I'm going to pull it down so it gives the right angle for this setting. Making sure you check it face up so then you know that it has the right amount of space between the gallery itself and the gemstone. You can always also turn your gemstone. It's called transparent. You can then see it better on your design and how you want it to be. So that's it for today.